Look at this channel. It has more than 13 million subscribers and its popular video has got nearly 100 million views. Maximum videos have got over 10 million views. Not only this one, look at this channel, and all of them have millions of video views. There are so many YouTube channels in this niche. All are just uploading simple lofi beats with a simple background. As you can see, this video is monetized. You can also create this kind of channel without any music and editing knowledge. But how is that possible? Don't worry, I am going to share the step-by-step process of making a lofi channel with the help of AI. And yes, creating a channel is not enough, you have to complete 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. It's not an easy task. I will share a method of getting quick success. So, don't skip any part of the video. Let's dive in. First of all, let's create some lofi beats. To create lofi beats I will use an AI tool Mubert. It's a music creator AI tool. Many content creators and artists are using this AI tool to produce different kinds of music. To start creating your own music, click on Generate a Track Now from here. On the next page, you have to enter some data about your music track. This is the prompt box. Here you can enter your text prompt to generate music, or you can select genres, modes, and activities from here. Let's start with genres. All kinds of music genres are available here. You can choose any one. I will choose ambient. Next, the moods option. I will select calm. In the next option, you have to select activities. For example, I want to generate sleeping music. I will come to the sleep activities tab and then select the sound type. This time I will select nature. Alright, we have selected our music genres, modes, and activities. Now we have to select the track length. The default length is 45 seconds. I will change it to 3 minutes and 45 seconds. After all is set, hit the Generate Track button from here. Now Mubert will take some time to generate the music. Let's fast forward this part. And here it is. I think it's a piece of perfect sleeping music for nature activities. I love this track. Now to save the track on your device, click on the download icon from here. You have to create an account to download the music track. Create an account with your Google, Facebook, or email account. After creating a free account, your music track will be added to the download folder. It will take some time to process. Let's create a piece of music with a text prompt. Click on Generate a Track from here. Now give your text prompt. I will insert only lo-fi and then change the length to 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Let's generate the music. And here it is. It's created a beautiful lo-fi beat. That's amazing. Let's download it. After clicking on the download icon, come to the My Download tab. Here you can see our first track is ready for download. Click on the download icon. Now we have to enter our channel URL to solve the copyright issue. You should enter the channel URL where you will upload the music. If you don't have a YouTube channel and are not familiar with creating a professional channel, then follow the next steps. If you already have a channel or are familiar with creating a new one, then you can skip this part and start from 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Alright, after coming to YouTube, sign up with a Google or Gmail account. Now we have to enter our channel name and YouTube handle unique name. If you already have a name on your mind, then it's great, otherwise, you can take the help of ChatGPT for name suggestions. After coming to ChatGPT, asked for some name associated with your channel type. GPT gave me 10 name suggestions for me. I like this one. Before adding this name, I will create a logo and banner for my channel. To do this I will use Canva. After logging in with your Canva account, click on Create a Design from here and then select YouTube channel logo. Now you can search for a music channel log from the template library and select one. I will create myself. Come to the Element tab and then select Generate your own. Now you have to enter the text prompt. I am giving music, wave, logo, and then my channel name. Canva AI will generate 4 images for you. If you don't like them, you can regenerate the pictures. I will select this one. After selecting the logo image, add a text template and then insert our channel name. Customize the text font and color to make it more stunning. After all is set, download the logo in JPG format. Alright, our logo is ready. Now it's time to create a channel banner. Come to the Canva homepage again and click on Create a Design. Search for a YouTube channel banner. This time I will use a pre-made template and then customize it. You can generate a new one like the logo design. After selecting your design, add the channel name, then customize the color and font if want. After all is set, download the image. Okay, we have selected our channel name and created a logo and channel banner. Now let's customize the newly created YouTube channel. First, insert the channel name and then create a unique YouTube handle name. After doing these, click on the Create Channel from here. This is our newly created channel. Now click on Customize Channel from here. After coming to this page, come to the Basic Info tab. Now we have to add a channel description. I will ask ChatGPT to write a channel description for me. After generating the channel description, just copy and paste it into YouTube. Now come to the Branding tab. In this tab, we can add or update our channel logo and banner. First, come to the Picture option and click on the Upload button from here. Now upload the logo image. After that, come to the Banner Image option. This time we will upload the banner image. After uploading the banner image, upload the logo image as the watermark image. After all is set, click on the Publish button to publish our new channel. After publishing the channel, copy the channel link and then paste it into the Newbert. After that, click on the Continue button. Now click on Agree and download. Your music track will be downloaded on your device automatically. Our first music track has been downloaded. Now for downloading the second music track, click on the download icon of track 2. And click on Agree and download. Alright, our channel and music are ready. But we cannot upload the music directly. First, we have to create a video with this music. And for creating a video like this one, first, we need an image. You can generate an image with any kind of image generator. I will use Leonardo AI because it's free. After coming to Leonardo AI, select Dreamshaper V7 as your featured model. Now change the aspect ratio to 16:9. After that, enter your prompt. If you are not so good at prompts, you can generate prompts with the Prompt Generation tool. Click on the Prompt Generation tab from here and then, enter your imagination. For example, I am writing a cute girl listening to music, wearing a headphone, night, dream. Leonardo will generate some prompts for you. Now you have to just select one prompt and then hit the Generate button. If you don't like the image, you can generate it with another prompt. Even you can edit the prompt. Once you are satisfied with your image, download the image. Okay, our image is ready. Now it's time to create a video with this image. For creating the video I will use CapCut because it's free and an online version is also available. If you are new to CapCut, create a free account. After creating the account, click on Create a new project. Now upload the image and the audio file. After uploading the files, first, drag and drop the audio file into the timeline. After that, insert the image. Now adjust the image length with the audio. I will add an effect to make the video stunning. Now it's looking like a video. You can add some filters also. After all is set, export the video and then download it on your device. Now our music video is ready. We can upload it on our channel. Upload the video with a proper name, description, and tags. Don't forget to add an eye-catching thumbnail. Alright, our video has been uploaded. Now let's talk about how you can get quick success on YouTube. You may notice that live music gets huge views and watch time. You can quickly achieve your success by going live. Many platforms like OBS Studio and StreamYard supports live streaming service on YouTube. I personally use OBS Studio. If you want to know details about live streaming, let me know in the comments section. I will make a separate video on it. Now let's talk about the second method. Never make a video with single music. Make a long video around 2 or 3 hours. You can notice all of the videos on this channel are longer than ours. So make a longer video. Okay, friends, now some important things we need to discuss. Newbert AI offers you a free trial, but you can generate only 25 tracks per month and you have to give attribution. You won't get the commercial license of the music. But in the pro version, you will get the commercial license and be able to create 500 tracks per month. That's value for money. But if you don't want to spend money at the initial stage, you can join the affiliate program of Newbert. Just click on Become Affiliate from here, and then fill up the form with your name and email address. You will get a link. Now you have to share this link on your YouTube video's description. If anyone joins Newbert through this link, you will get a commission. Once you have earned enough money, you can buy the pro plan. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with creating a lo-fi channel with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!